Hello everyone and welcome to Yoka's Boka. Today we have another plan with me and it's gonna be a moody floral theme. I will be using my Agenda 52 sticker book, which I've talked about many times, but I'm talking about it again. I figured I would do a really quick flip through of all the stickers we will be using, but sadly I can't use all of them even though they're all beautiful. I will also be using my Viewingo washi tape and I already went ahead and chose 3 colors. I know that typically for Mother's Day, it's usually like bright and very colorful, and if you look on my channel, almost everything is very bright and colorful. So I figured we'd try to do something different this time, and for Mother's Day, I wanted to do something kind of, a little toned down, a little dark, maybe more mature. So I hope you will like it, even though it's a different style. As always, we will be starting from left to right, and I already placed a quote sticker on top. And right below it, I went ahead and made a collage of 3 stickers, which I really like that see-through sticker because you kind of can create your own thing. And right below it, I placed an empty box sticker for my quote of the week. While looking through all of the stickers, I really liked this strip of washi tape that had these really cute flowers on them, so I decided to just go ahead and lay it right across the 3 boxes on top. It was a little big, so I did have to trim it with my X-Acto knife, which I actually ended up saving that little bit of washi, and you'll see what I do with it later in the video. I decided for this plan with me, I was gonna skip out on the meal plans again, just because there was a lot of things that I had to do, so I really wanted to just focus on my to-do list, because those are super important to me and why I do plan with me videos, because I can't live without my to-do list. So far what I've done is I layered a couple of the stickers together. I found that layering some stickers will make your spread look really cute, so it's been really fun just layering and playing around with them. And I also just placed some decorative stickers wherever I felt like needed it, and that way I can kind of just block out some of the boxes that I'm not going to use. For my to-do list, I decided to kind of change it up a little and use some different versions of the stickers. So you could see I used some checklist stickers, some circle stickers, and some box stickers. So all of them are different, but they serve the same purpose. I also like how it's different because before I would do the same stickers for all the to-do list, but now I kind of am okay with mixing it up a little bit. And I feel like you should do that too. You'll be surprised if you like it, or you might not like it, but at least play around with it and see if you enjoy it. Something that I also started to do is for some of the stickers, I will actually write the biggest thing that I have to do that day on a separate box and like on a separate sticker. So you'll see how in one of the stickers I will write that I have to film that day. So that's like a major thing that I had to do, so I kind of isolated it compared to all the other stickers, so you'll see what I mean. But that's one way that I like to use some of these stickers, is just making sure that that big plan is going to be out there. During this fluffy invasion, I want to take the time to ask you to like and subscribe, especially if you like all things planning, journaling, and especially if you're a night owl. Moving on. Luckily, the sticker book had a lot of big stickers, which I really needed because I needed to take up a lot of space since I'm only focusing on my to-do list. Don't get me wrong, all the stickers are awesome and I could have continued using them. However, I decided to use this girl sticker that was holding bread, and the only reason is because since it was Mother's Day, I wanted to use something that reminded me of my mom. And something that I always loved was when I was sleeping and then I'd get ready for school and I'd come down and my mom would have bought like fresh bread, and that was the best thing ever. And it was such a small and simple thing, but that's something that I really miss, is when my mom would buy like fresh bread and it was just so yummy. I can't even describe it to you. I also decided to layer some washi tape behind that girl sticker just to make it look a little bit less empty. It also creates a very easy background for those big stickers, because sometimes whenever you place them, it just kind of looks, too empty. So that's a really easy way to kind of decorate it. I also decided for this spread, I'm going to be using that big horizontal rectangle sticker that I placed on Saturday and Sunday. because sometimes I tend to kind of shy away from them because I don't know how to use them. So I figured that we're gonna change that. We're gonna go ahead and try it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right now I'm just finishing up the spread decoration and it's really coming together. I love these stickers because they remind me of Haunted Mansion and I really love that ride, so this is really cool. Once I finished placing that last checklist sticker, I've decided that for this spread we are gonna put some washi tape on the bottom of the spread. For last time I didn't really place one, but I figured today we would. So I just took these washi strips that came with the sticker book again, and as you can tell, one of them was too long, so I did end up cutting that little bit off, but those two that I saved, I am gonna use, and I'm gonna place it right next to May, so it kind of creates a little cool effect. I then placed a couple more little stickers, and then after that, I took my Tombow Drawing Pen and I started to write the quote of the week. For this week's quote of the week, we have, "In the end, you tried and you cared, and sometimes that is enough." I've been going through some personal things amongst some friends and family, so I figured this quote would be perfect, especially given what I've been going through with them, so I really needed that for this week. I decided for that big rectangle sticker for Saturday and Sunday, I would actually write another quote, and this one is, "Things we lose have a way of coming back to us in the end, if not always in the way we expect," by J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter. I wanted to have something towards my mom, so this is a perfect quote for her because it is very true. Once you lose someone, there is weird ways that they show that they're still here. So happy Mother's Day, Mom.